In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to your personal account on TikTok. So if you had a business account and you don't want to have your business account anymore, here's what you need to do to switch back. Open up your TikTok app. Once you have opened up your TikTok app, go to your profiles, then go to the top right, click on the hamburger menu, and then click on settings and privacy. From there, you want to click on account. And once you have clicked on account, you want to click switch to personal account. And then it asks you, if you switch your account type, you will lose all your business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email, but you will still be responsible for any violations you received on your business account. You click switch anyway, and just like that, you are switched to your personal account once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.